That was a wonderful performance, ladies. Kudos to all of you. And it's now time to introduce yourselves.
Hi everyone, good evening, and I'm hoping that all of you are having a great evening today. I believe and feel that we all do what we actually love, and waking up to something that we are very passionate about is what we all look up to. I, Priyanka, contestant number 1, I'm proudly here to introduce myself as a corporate professional and a passionate model, artist, and a fashionist. I'm very glad to be part of this show, and I thank Indian Media Works for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Good evening, one and all present here. This is Joy Jaslin, and I'm coming from Tamram. And I have been working in a private organization named Imagine Technology, where I'm used to be an AR caller. And I am believe in my dreams and I believe in my journey. So focus on the journey, not on the distractions, and be the better version of yourself. Thank you for the India Media Works for giving this wonderful opportunity, and have a great evening. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Dakshina R, contestant number 3 from Coimbatore, and I'm a second year MBBS student. To be a doctor has always been my life goals, but to serve beauty with purpose has always been my passion. Life is not easy on all of us. I have seen myself pushed down. 20 years from now, down the memory lane, I don't want to sit myself convincing for the battles I lost, for the hopes I gave up. Rather, I want to live my life to the fullest and serve humanity, and to set an example for all the aspiring individuals. Thank you, Indian Media Works, for this wonderful opportunity. Once again, have a great evening, everyone. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is Kausalya Srinivasan from Chennai. I am a model and Viscount student. I love media. I am contestant number 4. வெற்றிக்கோ தோல்விக்கோ ஒரு சிறிய வித்தியாசம்தான். கடமைக்கு உழைச்சா அது தோல்வி, கடினமா உழைச்சா அதுதான் வெற்றி. எல்லாரும் வெற்றியை நோக்கி போகணும்னு என்னோட ஆசை. So thank you for giving this great opportunity to me. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I'm contestant number 5, Sandalya Selvaraj, coming from Chennai. By profession, I'm a dentist, but by passion, I'm a classical dancer and upcoming model. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this wonderful event. I also thank Indian Media Works for giving me this great opportunity. I would like to say, a girl's most beautiful outfit is a charisma, prettiest accessory is a smile, and best pair of heels is a confidence. So be bold, be strong. Thank you.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Divya Grace, contestant number 6. I'm basically from Chennai, Singara, Chennai. So by professionally, I'm working in IT. And this is my new career, which I started as a fashion modeling. This IWF given me such a wonderful platform to prove myself. So give life to your dreams and be in success with your dreams. Once again, I'm great thankful for IWF giving me such a wonderful platform to show me and give me introducing myself to the world. Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Kasak here. I'm basically from Gujarat and currently working in Bangalore as a doctor. My profession is a doctor. By passion, I'm a model. I want to say that the only difference between success and failure is the ability to take action. If you are taking action at the right time, you will definitely get your success and opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies. That was a wonderful introduction. Thank you for gracing the stage with your presence. And let's give it up for the next set of contestants for Miss Tamilagam 2021.